Pyka Pelican Cargo is the world's largest autonomous electric cargo airplane, unveiled in January 2023 by Pyka, a California-based company specializing in autonomous electric aviation technology. The Pelican Cargo is designed to be a zero-emission cargo aircraft with a range of up to 200 miles and a payload capacity of 400 pounds. It has a nose-loading configuration with a sliding cargo tray, which makes it easy to load and unload cargo. The aircraft is powered by 4 electric motors and a 50-kilowatt lithium-ion battery pack. The batteries can be swapped out in 5 minutes or recharged in about an hour. Pyka believes that the Pelican Cargo will have a significant positive impact on people's lives by providing a clean, efficient, and reliable way to transport goods. The Rabbit R1 is a new AI-powered device that aims to change the way we use apps. Unlike a traditional smartphone, the Rabbit R1 doesn't rely on individual apps. Instead, it uses a combination of voice commands and AI to help you complete tasks. For example, you can ask the Rabbit R1 to order food, book a ride, or play music, and it will use its AI capabilities to open the relevant app and complete the task for you. The Rabbit R1 also learns your preferences over time, so it can anticipate your needs and offer suggestions. The R1 is a small, orange device with a 2.88-inch touchscreen display, a MediaTek Helio P35 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. It also has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular connectivity options. It priced $199. The Roadrunner-M is a high-explosive interceptor variant of the Roadrunner drone, developed by Anduril Industries. It is designed for ground-based air defense and can rapidly identify, intercept, and destroy a wide range of aerial threats, including large aircraft that are up to 100 times more expensive than the Roadrunner-M itself. The Roadrunner-M is a reusable drone, meaning it can be recovered and relaunched at near zero cost after completing its mission, unlike other interceptor missiles that are typically destroyed upon use. This makes it a more cost-effective option for air defense. The Roadrunner-M is equipped with twin-jet engines that allow it to fly at high subsonic speeds. It also has a modular design that allows for different payloads to be swapped out, depending on the specific mission. The Excelsior is the world's largest spaceflight test capsule in existence, designed by Space Perspective for their spaceship Neptune. It is not intended for orbital spaceflight, but rather for suborbital flights to the edge of space, offering a unique experience for tourists. The capsule is 16 feet 4.9 meters in diameter and has a pressurized volume of more than 2,000 cubic feet, which is twice the volume of Virgin Galactic's Spaceship Two and Blue Origin's New Shepard, and about 4 times that of SpaceX's Crew Dragon. This spacious interior allows for comfortable seating for 8 passengers and a pilot, with large windows providing panoramic views of Earth. Excelsior is a test capsule and completed its first unmanned test flight in February 2024. HaptX Gloves are haptic gloves developed by HaptX, a company that specializes in haptic technology. These gloves are designed to provide users with a realistic sense of touch in virtual reality, VR, and other applications. The HaptX gloves use a combination of microfluidics and force feedback to create a feeling of touch. The microfluidic system uses tiny bladders that inflate and deflate to create pressure on the user's skin. The force feedback system uses motors to apply resistance to the user's movements, which can simulate the feeling of weight and texture. HaptX gloves are currently used in a variety of applications, including VR training, product design, and teleoperation. The gloves are also being explored for use in other applications, such as rehabilitation and gaming. The Aeva Atlas is a high-performance 4D LiDAR light detection and ranging sensor designed for use in autonomous vehicles. It is the first automotive-grade 4D LiDAR sensor to be mass-produced, and it is expected to be available in consumer and commercial vehicles starting in 2025. The Atlas uses a technology called frequency-modulated continuous wave FMCW to detect both the range and velocity of objects simultaneously. This gives it a significant advantage over traditional 3D LiDAR sensors, which can only detect the range of objects. The additional data from the Atlas allows autonomous vehicles to make more informed decisions about their surroundings, which is essential for safe and reliable operation. The Crew Dragon is a partially reusable spacecraft designed and manufactured by SpaceX, primarily for transporting astronauts to and from the International Space Station ISS as part of NASA's Commercial Crew program. It is the first privately developed spacecraft to ferry humans to orbit and the only currently operational U.S. crewed orbital spacecraft. The Crew Dragon consists of a reusable capsule and an expendable trunk module. The capsule can accommodate up to 4 crew members and is equipped with all the necessary life support systems for spaceflight. The trunk module provides additional storage space and houses the spacecraft's propulsion systems for maneuvering in orbit. The Crew Dragon launches atop a SpaceX Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket and returns to Earth through splashdown in the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Florida. The ITRI AR Interactive Vehicle Display is a new technology that uses augmented reality AR to enhance the sightseeing experience for passengers in moving vehicles. The system works by using eye-tracking cameras to track the gaze of passengers. When a passenger looks at a landmark, the system displays information about the landmark on a transparent micro-LED touchscreen panel that is embedded in the window. Passengers can also touch the information on the screen to learn more about the landmark. The ITRI AR Interactive Vehicle Display is still in development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel. It could make sightseeing more enjoyable and educational for passengers, and it could also help to reduce traffic congestion by encouraging people to take public transportation. The SpiderPi Pro is an advanced hexapod robot that is integrated with AI vision and powered by a Raspberry Pi 4B. It features intelligent serial bus servos with a torque of 20 kilograms, a 5 DOF robotic arm, a glowy ultrasonic sensor, an IMU sensor, and a dot matrix module. It can be programmed using Python. The SpiderPi Pro is an ideal platform for conducting research in motion control for hexapod robots, machine vision, OpenCV, deep learning, and various other fields. It is equipped with a HD wide-angle camera, which allows the robot's vision recognition range to be larger, and the camera supports manual focusing. The SpiderPi Pro is a versatile robot that can be used for a variety of educational and research purposes. Mobile ALOHA is a low-cost, whole-body teleoperation system designed for data collection and mobile manipulation tasks. It is an extension of the ALOHA system, which is a robotic arm designed for imitation learning from human demonstrations. Mobile ALOHA adds a mobile base and a whole-body teleoperation interface to the ALOHA system, allowing it to be used for tasks that require mobility, such as cleaning pots, picking up objects, and navigating around a room. Mobile ALOHA is a valuable tool for researchers who are developing imitation learning algorithms for mobile manipulation tasks. It allows them to collect data from human demonstrations in a variety of real-world settings. The data can then be used to train robots to perform these tasks autonomously. The TCL RayNeo X2 is a pair of augmented reality AR glasses that were unveiled at CES 2023. They are the first AR glasses to use binocular full-color micro-LED optical waveguide display, which means that they can project images directly onto the wearer's retinas. This allows for a more immersive and realistic AR experience than is possible with other types of AR glasses. The RayNeo X2 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor and has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. They also have a built-in camera that can be used to take photos and videos, as well as a variety of sensors that can be used to track the wearer's movements. The RayNeo X2 is currently available for pre-order on Indiegogo for $699. The Hypershell ProX is an AI-powered exoskeleton designed for outdoor enthusiasts, runners, and hikers. It is worn around the hips and legs and provides an extra boost to the user's movement, allowing them to carry heavier packs, trek further, and run faster with less fatigue. The ProX is made up of 9 joints, 1 powered by an 800-watt motor, and 8 passive joints. The AI engine in the exoskeleton helps it to anticipate and adapt to the user's movements, providing the right amount of assistance for each individual. The ProX can offset up to 66 pounds of weight and has a range of up to 16 miles on a single charge. It is also weatherproof and can be used in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The Hypershell ProX exoskeleton is available for pre-order for a starting price of $799. The nFrontier Pylo is a smart bike helmet that integrates a number of different technologies, including 3D printing, LiDAR radar sensors, and a face shield airbag. It is designed to be safer, smarter, and more high-tech than traditional bicycle helmets. The shell of the helmet is 3D printed from nylon, which is a strong and durable material that can absorb impacts. The Pylo features a world-first face shield airbag that inflates in the event of a crash, protecting the rider's face from injury. The helmet also includes LiDAR radar sensors that can detect objects and people up to 100 meters away, warning the rider of potential hazards. The Pylo also features 3D immersive sound, which allows riders to hear their surroundings while still being able to listen to music or podcasts. The pivotal BlackFly is a single-seat, all-electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft. It's classified as a Part 103 ultralight in the United States, meaning you don't need a pilot's license to fly it. Designed for personal transportation, the BlackFly offers a unique and exhilarating way to experience short-distance travel. It has a limited range currently around 40 miles and speed around 62 miles per hour in the US, making it more suitable for recreation and short commutes. It's designed for recreational use, giving individuals the freedom to experience the thrill of flying. The BlackFly's intuitive controls make it easy for almost anyone to learn to fly. The FlyNow eCopter is an autonomous electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL helicopter being developed by FlyNow Aviation. It is designed to be a personal air taxi and is planned to be available in both passenger and cargo models. The eCopter has a coaxial counter-rotating rotor design, which the company says makes it more efficient and safer than other eVTOL designs. It has a range of 50 kilometers, 31 miles, and a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour, 81 miles per hour. The passenger model can seat one person and their luggage, while the cargo model can carry a standard European pallet.